Nagseselos yata ako.
Alam mo, ako'y tiwala sa iyo. Kahit umembot hanggang gusto mo.
Basta't tingnan mo'y akin pa rin. Ang gusto mo'y ituloy mo. Sweet, come swing it, baby. Oh, sweet, come swing it, baby. Kanila na ang iyong sayaw, basta't aking pag-ibig mo. So swing.
Ako'y tiwala sa iyo. Umembot hanggang gusto mo.
Basta't tingnan mo'y akin pa rin. Ang gusto mo'y ituloy mo. Sweet, come swing it, baby. Oh, sweet, come swing it, baby. Kailangan ang sayaw, basta't aking pag-ibig mo. So sweet. Come swing it, baby. Sweet. Sweet. Come swing it, baby. Oh, sweet. Come swing it, baby. Sweet. Come swing it, baby. Oh, sweet. Come swing it, baby.
How's your lunch, LJ?
It smells great! Ang galing talaga ni Miss Ina magluto. She even noticed my new shirt, Brian.
Really? When Miss Ina sees me and I'm asking for food, she is always grumpy and she doesn't even notice if I got a new shirt.
Maybe you didn't use some polite words to her, or maybe she's just having a bad day.
I see.
To get along well with people, we need social skills.
So what should I say to Miss Ina?
You can say, "Excuse me, Miss Ina, may I have this food po, please?" And end with a smile. Then after she puts the food that I want, I always say thank you.
I will do that next time, LJ. Polite words and smiles.
Hi, little ones and playmates! Like LJ, we should know how to properly interact with others through our social skills.
Social skills are how people behave, talk, and play around other people. It is how well you have conversations with other people, behave in certain places, and understand people's feelings.
Let's hear from our playmates on the importance of having social skills.
Social skills help help you know what to do or say to get along better with the kids and adults that you interact with daily.
Children with better social skills can form stronger friendships and are more likely to succeed in their education.
Social skills will be very important in our lives as we get older, once we get a job, or if we raise a family. Let's see what are some good social skills. Hi, Princess. Hello, Zia.
How are you? It's a great day today.
Yes, kind of, but I didn't perfect the exam a while ago.
That's sad, but don't worry, Zia. We have a chance to study harder. And I'm willing to help. What is this subject?
It's math. I'm happy that you're willing to help me.
Of course, and we will always pray before and after the exam. With God's help, we can do anything.
Wow, you're such a nice classmate.
No worries.
Princess focuses on what the other person is saying. She nods along, smiles, asks questions, and does not interrupt.
Hi, excuse me. May I help you? Please, thank you. What's your name? I'm Angela. And I'm Celine. It's so nice to meet you.
Angela and Celine always say, excuse me, please, thank you, and nice to meet you. Those are polite words that we should always use. Now, let's learn from our playmates how to improve our social skills.
Nung isilang ka sa mundong ito, laking tuwa ng magulang mo, at ang kamay nila ang iyong ilaw. At ang nanay at tatay mo'y di malaman ang gagawin, minamasdan pati pagtulog mo. Sa gabi natutuyat ang iyong nanay sa pagtimpla ng gatas mo. At sa umaga na may talong ka ng iyong amang tuwang-tuwa sa'yo. Ngayon nga ay malaki ka na, nais mo'y maging malaya, di man sila payag, walang magagawa. Ikaw nga ay biglang nagbago, naging matigas ang iyong ulo, at ang payo nila'y sinuwan mo. Di mo man lang isip na ang kanilang ginagaway para sa'yo. Kat ang nais mo'y masunod ang layaw mo, di mo sila pinapansin. Nagdaan pa ang mga araw at ang landas mo'y naligaw, ikaw ay nalulong sa masamang bisyo. At ang una mong nilapitan ang iyong inang lumuluha, at ang tanong, anak, ba't ka nagkaganyan? at ang iyong mga matay biglang lumuha nang di mo napapansin. Magsisisiyag sa isip mo, nalaman mo ika'y nagkamali. Magsisisiyag sa isip mo, nalaman mo ika'y nagkamali. Magsisisiyag sa isip mo, nalaman mo ika'y nagkamali.
Think before you act. Always pay attention to social cues.
Like the other person's facial expression, tone of voice, and body language.
Because social skills are about how your words and actions affect other people.
You always think of this question. Is what I'm about to say or do going to make people want to be around me? Or will it make them want to go away?
Adding to our social skills list is the act of sharing. Willingness to share a snack or a toy will go a long way.
And don't forget cooperation. It means working with others to achieve a common goal, just like our palaro for today.
It's time for Little Ones Palaro. And our game for today is Pass the Message. How to play? Form a circle. And then, I will whisper something to the first person at the line. And then that person will repeat what I said to the next person in line. And then this will repeat until it reaches the last person. The last person should say the correct message in order for their team to win. Are you ready, playmates? In 3, 2, 1, play! And the message is...
I love watching Little Ones playlist every Saturday at 9 p.m.
I love watching Little Ones playlist.
And for round 2, this is their sentence.
My favorite place in the INC Museum is the Children's Museum. My favorite place in the Little Ones playlist room is the Children's Museum. My favorite place in the INC Museum is the Children's Museum. My favorite place in the INC Museum is the Children's Museum. My favorite place in the INC Museum is the Children's Museum.
My favorite place in INC Museum is the Kids Museum.
For round 3, this is the message.
I love INC Museum and LJP. I love INC Museum at LJP. I love INC Museum and LJP. I love INC Museum and LJP. I love INC Museum and LJP.
I love INC Museum and LJP.
Matayog ang lipad ng saranggola ni Pepe. Matayog ang pangarap ng matandang bingi. Umihip ang hangin, nawala sa paningin. Sigaw ng kahapon, nilamon ng alon. Malabo ang tunog ng kampanilya ni Padre. Maingay ang taginting, rosaryo ng babae. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Matayog ang lipad ng saranggola ni Pepe. Matayog ang pangarap ng matandang bingi. Hinuli ang ibon, pinagsuot ng pantalong. Tinali ng pisi, hindi na nagsinturon. Dumaan ang jeepney at gumuhit pa sa kalye. Mauling ang iniwan, hindi na tinabi. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Matayog ang lipad ng saranggola ni Pepe. Matayog ang pangarap ng matandang bingi. Pinilit umawit ang naglaro'y isang ingit. Lumuha ang langit at ang mundo ay nanliit. Kumakaway sa bakod ang anghel na nakatanod. Sumusuway sa utos, puso'y sinusunod. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Kaibigan, tila yata matamlay ang iyong pakiramdam. At ang ulo mo sa kaiisip ay tila naguguluhan. Kung ang problema mo o suliranin ay lagi mong didibdibin, ay tatanda kang bigla pag tumulo ang luha. Hahaba ang mukha at ikaw ang siyang kawawa. Iniwanan ka ng minahal mo sa buhay mo at nabigla. Sinamba mo siya, binigyan mo ng lahat at biglang nawala. Ang buhay mong alalahanin at wag naman maging maramdamin. At tatanda kang bigla pag tumulo ang luha. Kasama mo ako at kasama rin kita sa hirap at ginhawa. Ako'y kagabay mo at may dalang pag-asa. Limutin siya, marami pang iba. Kaibigan, kalimutan mo na lang ang nakalipas. Kung nasilaw siya, napasama sa iba't na pa ibang landas. Marami pang malalapitan, mababait at di naman pihikan. At tatanda kang bigla pag tumulo ang luha, hahaba ang mukha at ikaw ang siyang kawawa. Kasama mo ako at kasama rin kita sa hirap at ginhawa. Ako'y kagabay mo at may dalang pag-asa. Limutin siya, marami pang iba. Kaibigan, kalimutan mo na lang ang nakalipas. Kung nasilaw siya, napasama sa iba't na pa ibang landas. Marami pang malalapitan, mababait at di naman pihikan. At tatanda kang bigla pag tumulo ang luha, hahaba ang mukha at ikaw ang siyang kawawa.
I'm Teacher Min.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Ada.
And it's time for another fun activity in
Activity-Nyo.
So today, meron kami isang special na activity para sa inyong lahat. It's going to be a cooperative art and it's going to be a big art. Kaya gagawin namin yung tatlo ng magkakasama. Pwede tayong gumamit ng, here are our materials, white paper, leaves, marker, different shades of green paint, paint brushes, and tape. Actually, yung tape, kaya lang naman natin siya gagamitin para makabuo tayo ng malaking paper. Pero kung mayroon kayong malaking white paper sa bahay, kagaya ng cartolina or ng A4, A3 size na paper, pwede rin yun. But since we don't have, what we're going to do is connect or combine these two. Okay. Right, now we have our big art. Sa ating big paper ay gagamitin natin ang ating brown marker to create a tree trunk. Okay? At anong kulang sa ating tree trunk para maging alive? Leaves. Okay, leaves. para maging special ang ating big art for today, nanguha na at namulot si Noah at Ada ng mga leaves sa labas. Anong dahon ba to? Bayabas. Okay, so all that you need to do is paint, ididikit natin dito. Saan kaya maganda? Pwede siguro dito. Okay, and then press. Press. Let's see. Ready for the surprise?
The reveal.
The reveal. Ta-da! Okay, your turn. Siguro dapat mas makapal pa. All hands, all hands. Okay, big. Reveal. So, kahit pare-parehong mga dahon at kulay green yung ginamit natin, dahil magkakaiba yung specific leaf, di ba? Merong may big size, small size, merong may mga sturdy veins. Kaya yung buong artwork natin ay may kanya-kanyang unique qualities. Pero together, they look nice, di ba? Di ba? Thank you for helping me out for our art activity today, Noah. Thank you, Ida. At sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating art activity for today. Aantayin namin na gusto naming makita ang inyo ring mga gawa. See you again next time dito lang sa Activity Nyo. Bye everyone!
It belongs to you, but your friends use it more. What is it? What? Your name.
I go up and down, but never move. What am I?
What?
Fear.
It is the only word in the dictionary that's spelled wrong. What is it?
What is it?
The word wrong. It is the only word that's spelled W-R-O-N-G.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Let us always consider other people's feelings and avoid offending them. Say please, thank you, and excuse me and other polite words at all times. Loving and respecting others pleases our Almighty God. Little ones, to be polite is just the first step in improving our social skills.
Always practice sharing, cooperation, and listening. These social skills will help us gain new friends and keep old ones.
See you again next week. Continue to learn, have fun, and enjoy only here on Little Ones Playlist!
The day you came along with your songs, my heart began to sing, dear. A million thanks to you, my love. Dearest one, I owe my life to you. You made my dreams come true. A million thanks to you. All the days I've spent without a song, my heart began to sing the day you came along. Dearest one, a million thanks to you for